Hello everybody and welcome back to Business Guide. After 30 years, emojis are still clutch. Type in emoji, emojis, emoticon, emoticons or smileys in topappcharts.com and you'll see tons of apps flooding the top rankings. Apple originally introduced emoticons with iOS 4 after a huge number of requests from Japan, and emojis instantly became a classic. Now, Apple has unveiled a whole new set of emoticons that have already captured the user's attention and are making serious money. There is nothing really new with emoji apps. The functionality is exactly what the user wants, plain and simple. Emoji apps dominate the Apple algorithm by following the 3 rules. 1. Ease of use. 2. Speedy mobility. 3. User retention. All you need to do is conquer these big 3 and you're off to the races. Emoji apps are meant to be opened and closed quickly. Users probably only spend less than 10 seconds in the app itself. So you ask, how do developers keep user retention? The answer is, you have to be creative and know your audience. And it's easier than you think. Animated Emoji Pro has integrated games in their app. While searching for the right emoji, users get sidetracked and end up playing a game for several minutes. This boosts the app's rating within Apple's algorithm. Stick texting is a perfect example of an emoji app that dodged the competition, and it's not going anywhere. Today, we're going to be talking about how to get paid to click on emojis. Make sure you stay as you don't want to miss out on these amazing ways. Finding your way through Flaticon. The Flaticon site has almost every icon you can think of, and what's better is that its collection is growing every day. We are offering some simple tips on how to navigate your way around our site so that you can find and edit our icons with ease. The site has plenty of features, and we want you, as a valued user, to be able to take advantage of these. When searching for icons, you can find individual ones or packs full of multiple icons. You just have to click on the little tab next to the search bar to specify your needs. Pack icons usually possess a similar style. What's more, some packs will allow you to select whether the style is flat, lineal, or lineal color. You can also create patterns within the pack. All you need to do is click on the Create Patterns option, which will open up a new window. To add certain icons to the ones you want, rearrange them, drag them with a mouse. You have the opportunity to edit each icon. All you have to do is make sure you're logged in to the Flaticon site or that you create an account. Then just click on the icon, which will bring up the box to edit both the size and color. For colored icons, click on the part you would like to change and then select the color you would like. In regards to the size, you can decide whether to scale icon up or down, suiting your needs. You have the option of different formats. Download the icon. They normally come in PNG, SVG, EPS, and PSD formats. The collection option allows you to store all your selected icons in one place. When clicking on the icon in the edit box, there is an option to add to all your collection. Then to access your collection, click on the 4 boxes button and sidebar will appear. It is a perfect way to store all of your favorite icons in one place. For access to unlimited resources, why not sign up to Flaticon's premium membership? Every icon will be available to download and will get exclusive access to premium resources. The great thing about these icons is that they are versatile and can be used for both personal and professional projects. Now, the real work. Emoji are fun to use for nearly any occasion, and while there seems to be an endless number to pick from, learning to create your own emoji is the best way to get exactly what you want. Because, let's face it, sometimes there just isn't an emoji for that exact expression on your face. When you create your own emoji, you can have it be anything you want: an object, weather icon, symbol, facial expression, or something else entirely. You're limited only by your imagination and the ease of use of the emoji maker. How to create your own emoji on phone. Emojily is by far the best way to create your own emoji on an iPhone. It has a make from scratch option and a random method to generate emoji quickly. It's great for creating emoji of your emotions. When you use a new option from the app's home screen, you get several creation tools. From left to right, this is the order in which you make your emoji. Pick a template like a multicolored base, a square face, or a taco head. Choose a pair of eyes. Decide on some eyebrows. Flip through the mouth options to find a suitable one. Add some facial hair if you want. Optionally pick some hand gestures. Select one of the objects to have your emoji stand out. Choose a hat for your emoji. Every option is customizable, so you can drag them around the emoji background, rotate them, and resize them using normal finger gestures. Tap the download button when you're finished to save your custom emoji to your gallery. How to create your own emoji on Android. Making your own emoji on Android is easy with Emoji Maker. If you don't want to spend time making your own, there's also a gallery you can browse to find popular emoji made by other users. Something unique about this emoji maker is that as you're choosing the various parts of the emoji, you get to see a preview immediately. This helps you decide what to pick because you don't have to guess how it will look if you select it. Here's how Emoji Maker works on Android. Tap New Emoji from the home screen. Choose a background for your emoji. It can be anything from a dog or bear face to a heart, vegetable, cat or circle. There are even animated backgrounds. User menu icons on the bottom of the app to pick eyebrows, eyes, a mouth, hand gestures, hair, facial mask, a mask, and more. Tap the check mark at the top right to save the icon custom emoji to the gallery within the app. Tap the emoji and then share a button to share through any of your apps. Bitmoji is another great option for creating emoji on Android and iOS. The emoji you can make in that app is usually far more complex looking in that there are captions and full scenes, but they're still really easy to make. Similar is Chutto, but it's marked more as a messaging app with live augmented reality emoji that sits on top of your real face. How to create your own emoji from a computer. The free online emoji maker at Labely is an excellent resource for building your own emoji. You can use a full screen of your desktop computer to make large emoji by picking a shape, background color, eyebrows, facial features, accessories, and text. When you're done, you can share the emoji over Facebook, Pinterest, or Twitter, or save it to your computer to do with it as you wish. Emoji Maker is similar, but is much easier to save to your computer. There are lots of options to face shapes and other features, and a built-in text tool lets you write on the emoji. The PiZap Emoji Maker is another option for computer users. Several of the options cost, and a high-quality export isn't free either, but there are still lots of unique emoji building tools, and the standard quality export is definitely still good enough. As you can see, there are lots of ways to make your own emoji. You can do it from your computer, from your Android or iPhone, or on a tablet. Some of these methods are better than others if you want to send the emoji via your phone's keyboard, but others are great for emailing or Facebooking the emoji from a computer or using the emoji in other projects. No matter which method you choose, making your own emoji is undeniably fun. Creating a brand new emoji that most other people aren't using can make you stand out in a group message and may even have your friends reusing your emoji. Thanks for watching! While you are here, go ahead and click on one of these two videos on your screen. See you there!